This is a 3.2 Cabriolet belonging to a customer of ours. Bought it in just before Christmas for a tidy up. It's one of these cars that we've stripped and done any issues of rust. It was just caught in time. But it's a lovely car. It's one that they use on a daily basis, so this isn't one that's sort of hidden away. We've tidied up the roof as well, re-dyed it, stretched it a bit more tighter, cleaned up the interior. So it's all looking nice and sharp now. All the rubbers are a bit tight at the moment. So if you've got a 911 parked up that needs a little bit of work or a bit of TLC, give us a call. Take a look at our new website, RS911.com, and you'll see some other videos, more photos of this car as we were doing it. So thank you for watching. As I said, check out the website www.rs911.com.